Chris Orn here, MarineMax Baltimore. We are aboard the 2014 Scout 350 LXF. Start here at the Transom, Trip 300s. These are recently serviced. They are ready to go. Everything's been changed out. Everything's ready to run. Move forward, you'll see the walk-through transom with a large bait well. Down here you got very large bilge access, as well as two very large fish boxes here on the floor. Come back here. One thing I want you guys to notice when we walk through this boat, we did redo all the interior as well. So this is freshly outfitted with brand new interior. Below here you have a nice bait well, drawers for your tackle, a nice dive door here, easy in and off the boat. Also, if you want to do some diving, it has a nice ladder that folds down. Moving forward, nice split bench. You got the 60/40 split bench. Digital shift. You do have the electronics package set up with your dual 7215s, and you do have a bow thruster for easy docking. As you move forward, you'll notice we have bolsters all the way around, so when you're leaning to the fish, it's nice and comfortable for you. Moving here, you have your electric flush head, as well as your full outfitted sleeping arrangements and all your electronics down there. As you move forward, this is the big selling point of this boat, is this large coffin box. This is great for laying out or just relaxing. Nice fold down armrest on either side. And then you have some really nice storage here down in the middle of it. Moving forward, this is an electrically actuated table, which can go all the way down for fishing, come all the way up for entertaining, or as you can see, the position we have it in now is straight across. Really nice bow pad to go with this. Moving all the way forward, you have your windlass and your storage for it, and then you notice that the anchor comes straight through the hull. Please give us a call on this boat. Come on down for a sea trial. You'll really be impressed. Thank you for seeing the 2014 350 LXF.